Hello and welcome to my new series called Road to Being a Programmer. In this series, I'm going to be teaching you how to program in many different languages. The first season, we're going to be going over HTML and CSS, and as the seasons progress, we're going to be moving on to more and more difficult programming languages. So, starting off, why should you learn how to program? Well, first of all, there are many jobs nowadays revolving around technology. Now that businesses are opening up more and more to technology, it's becoming more of a necessity in everyday life than it used to be. It's also a great way to become creative. So that's more in the video game and web development aspect, but it's a great way to be creative in that kind of way. Now, it's also nice to actually understand what's going on with the device that you're using. Now, I can tell you firsthand that since I've learned how to code, I actually understand everything, and sometimes even like interact with computers and such as you are the computer, and you kind of see the programming languages and the way that they probably set it up to work. It's also a really good way to learn troubleshooting. There are times that you'll have bugs in your code and it takes a while for you to figure it out. But once you figure it out, if you get that bug again, you probably will know how to fix it already. Now, what are programming languages? Languages are things that the computer reads and it puts them in action. Some people call them commands, some people call them lines. It doesn't really matter. It's the computer reading what you're telling it to do and it's saying. Now, a lot of people say computers are stupid, and that is true. Without humans, computers do not know what to do. Now, yeah, you could say AI, whatever, but then again, AI is programmed by humans. There are many different languages for many different things, such as ActionScript for Flash, and there is HTML for websites, also CSS for websites, and MySQL databases. Now, what will I be able to do? Honestly, the sky's the limit for programming. Can I have unicorn? Calm down there, Tiger. You can't exactly create things in real life with programming. Although there are 3D printers and such, programming is more of a computer interface type thing. Well, then, what does it do? A lot of things in everyday life are run by using programming languages. Some may be cars, others are your Xbox, your cell phones, sometimes even alarm clocks, TVs, street lights, and a lot more. Now, how many languages are there out there? There are countless amount of languages. They're usually smaller ones that may be developed by small teams or universities. Now, how do you understand these weird things? As long as you learn properly, you actually understand the way these algorithms work and the way that programming languages run. If you do not learn the right way, if you just go onto videos and copy their code, you will not learn and you will not understand. All you will be doing is making the programs. You will not be understanding how to do it or if you want to repeat it again. Also, take your time and don't rush. And do not start a big project until you at least know the fundamentals of the programming language you're doing it with. As an example, I used to be really new with coding about 4 or 5 years ago, and I want to make a game, and I tried making a game, and I could not do it. I got really stressed out. I always wanted to work on this game, but I didn't understand. A year later, I learned the fundamentals, and now programming is actually really fun. Now, which languages are we going to learn? HTML, and here's the hello world for HTML, so it's pretty easy. All you really need to do is print it out. Small Basic. It's also a very easy language. It's developed by Microsoft, so it's pretty good for beginners. We have Python, which is a classic. Turing, JavaScript, and of course C++. Now, how long until I can start a project? If you follow the season, with a max of 2 episodes a day. You do not want to learn too much in one day because then you'll forget. After you are perfect with the programming language you want to do, that means not only paying attention in this course, but also going onto the Code Academy for it, or another school or online course. Within about 6 months, you'll be ready. Now stay tuned, more videos will be coming soon. Thanks for watching. Peace.